Hello YouTube, Asuma here with a Minecraft tutorial. This is the compact chicken farm and I'm going to show you what it is, how it works and how to build it. The compact chicken farm is a machine that will hatch eggs into baby chickens, allow those babies to grow into adults, it will collect the eggs from the adults, and it will cook them, yielding cooked chicken and feathers. The machine works through the use of two levers located either side of this water stream. The one on the right controls the redstone torch above, which in turn controls the dispenser to hatch eggs. Right clicking the lever allows you to spam the torch to hatch eggs fast, however the torch does burn out, but only for a short amount of time. The lever on the left here controls the state of the machine. It is currently in the containment state. These pistons are extended, blocking this water stream, and these trapdoors are left open. The lever controls two redstone circuits, one above and one below. The one above controls these pistons here, and the one below controls this redstone torch, which opens and closes these trapdoors. When we hit this lever here, we will change the state of the machine into the cooking mode. These pistons have retracted, extending the water flow. The water flow will also push the chickens into the fire. When they catch on fire, they will land on these closed trapdoors here where they will die and we will collect their drops. When we change the state of the machine back into the containment mode, the trapdoors will open up and we will catch their drops below. Before we do a test, I need to inform you that there is a small problem with this machine. When you are hatching eggs and the chicken containment area is full, some of those eggs will actually hatch outside of the machine. However, we can reduce the amount that will by closing this fence gate here and placing glass like this. Okay, it's time to test. And now we can collect the drops. When I designed the compact chicken farm, I had two things in mind. First of all, to use a minimal amount of resources, and second of all, for it to use up the smallest amount of space I could. Now these two things actually take away from the effectiveness of the machine, so there are two things that you can do to improve it. First of all, this containment area here, if it's larger it means you can store more chickens, so you could extend the water stream and these stone blocks further this way, and do the same at the top. This will allow you to contain more chickens and to collect more eggs as well. The second thing you can do is lower the trapdoor blocks down one or two, and this is because when the chickens land on the trapdoor blocks it is possible for them to jump back up into the fire, and if they die on the fire you will lose your drops. So by lowering the trapdoors down one or two blocks you will actually improve the amount of drops that you get from the machine. If this machine does not produce enough eggs for you, then you can also build a chicken coop. This will store chickens and collect their eggs as well. It uses glass, fence gate, water, and you will need eggs to hatch a chicken. Now this chicken will stay there and he won't be able to escape, and when he lays eggs they'll just simply drop below. Now that we know how the compact chicken farm works, it's time to build it. First of all, you'll need an area of land 5 by 9. Then you will need to place these stone blocks as shown. Then you will need to place these stone blocks like this, and this redstone wire, and a torch here. On this layer here we need to place stone, levers, a pressure plate, netherrack, 3 trapdoors and some glass. On this layer here we need to place this stone block, a redstone wire, redstone torches, some glass. We need to set a light to the netherrack, and now we need to place the fence gates and water source. On this layer here we need to place glass, a dispenser, a water source block, a sticky piston, an open fence gate, a redstone wire and a stone block. On this layer here we need to place glass, a sticky piston and redstone wire. And on this last layer we just need glass along the top here. So that concludes this tutorial, and I've left a link in the description box as always so you can download the map, have a look at the machine and check it out for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.